Whether you live in the USA or not, you can still sell on Amazon.com USA. I'm going to go through exactly how to set up an Amazon seller account step by step. This is the most updated video on YouTube on how to set up an Amazon seller account. I will also answer 10 questions that beginners have, so make sure you watch the whole video. First thing to do is just search Amazon Seller Central on Google. This is what you see as a brand new seller. So what we're going to do is register now. Amazon Seller Central account is where you list and sell your private label products on Amazon and reach millions of people. All you have to do is ship your product from China and get it manufactured. If you want to know how to source the product step by step, then watch my video here. When you're first starting out, I want you to sign up for USA, and that is a biggest marketplace with a lot of potential. But it's up to you if you want to start from Canada, UK, Australia, or any other. You can set up an Amazon account by two ways. As an individual seller, that means on monthly fees. That is no monthly fees, but do pay per item fees, that is $1. So if you are selling 5 to 10 pieces per month, then individual account makes sense to you. But in that you don't have access to PPC buy box, it is where the 85% of the sales take place, and a lot more. However, if you want to sell 40 or more and scale your business to 6 or 7 figure income, then you need professional account, which is $39.90 per month, including all the services. And don't worry about the fees. If your inventory does not arrive for 2 to 3 months, Amazon is completely lenient about refunding the professional seller fees. All you have to do is open a quick chat and say, hey guys, I sign up for a professional account and in just let's say like August, but my inventory does not arrive till December. So is there a way you can refund me till the date my inventory arrive? And almost 100% time they say yes. You can always upgrade from an individual to a professional account. Always keep in mind that when you start setting up your individual account, Amazon will show you a billing method, but it is just that Amazon requires a credit card on file for all the accounts in case you are ever in the negative. Real quick, if you are enjoying this video and want to keep receiving great free education to grow on your Amazon FBA business, then considering subscribing to this channel just below this video. And if you hit the bell icon beside it, you will get notified whenever I release a new video. Thank you in advance, it means a lot. Okay, so let's get to the setup process. So you click start selling and then create your seller account. So just put in your email, name and your password. Always give your business email, as all of your emails regarding Amazon will come here. So I always recommend my students to keep your personal and business email separate. So go on and put your information and click next. So once you put all that information, you are redirected to this page. Seller agreement. In this page, they will ask you about the legal name. If you haven't yet set up a business, that is totally fine. Simply put your full name that is on your passport. No one is going to see this information. This is simply for taxes and billing purposes. And again, if you have a business name, you need to put your business name dash legal name. Check I have read the agreement and click on next. It will redirect you to the next stage, that is seller information. In this case, they want you to tell a little about your business. So if you are yet to register a business, that is totally fine. You can actually put your home address here temporarily, and then you need to write a business display name. You can write a generic name, as you can always go back and change it. Then it is asking for website, which if you have a website, then please write here, otherwise just leave blank. Then here they will ask you to verify your phone number so that they can send you a confirmation message. Put appropriate area code with mobile number. Once you receive the text, just put in the verification code here. Once you complete the seller information, you will be redirected to billing or deposit. They will ask for your credit card information and your banking information. So feel free to put all that information. Once you actually finish inserting all your billing information, it will redirect you to the tax information. Basically, it's like a short interview. Don't worry, it's not too serious or complicated. After that, if you are in the USA, you will click yes. If you are not, then click no. Don't worry, you are still allowed to sell on US market even if you live outside the US. So if you select yes option, it will ask you for EIN in order to determine your eligibility. Very simple process, just click apply and then they are going to guide you step by step. If you select no, it will give you a form where you have to fill your full name and citizenship and all other information. So go ahead and fill it up. So guys, once you finish submitting all that information, it will redirect you to the last thing here where it says signature. You will put your full name here, what is indicated in your passport. Once you submitted all that information, you can click on the save and preview. For those who are based in US, you have to take the EIN issued by the IRS. I will find the link below in description. So guys, this is all the information that is required to set up your Amazon Seller Center account. So let's get on to the 10 hot questions related to Amazon Seller Center account setup and answer that. So the question number 1, I have a question about the utility bill. I have an LLC registered to my home address in the US. Can I send a utility bill that came to that address? Yes, as long as the utility bill, electric bill, phone bill, internet bill, etc. matches the one that is registered with your LLC, you can use that. Provide them your utility bill in PDF form. Also try to provide them with more than one piece of proof, just to be on the safe side. They just want to make sure that your name, address on your credit card matches the one that's on your utility bill, verifying that you are the one that you claim to be. Also, if you upload ID, make sure that your photo is formatted correctly as per the requirement, pixel size and the file format. Now go to question number 2. On the verification page, the expiration date and the date of birth says invalid. I have tried a dozen times and it is not expected. Does anyone know what I am doing wrong? Try clearing the cache and cookies off your browser and then try again. You may also switch to another browser if you wish. Question number 3. What do I do when it asks for a store name? You should put a generic brand specific name of your product. This can also be changed afterwards. Question number 4. I have LLC open in the USA, but I am outside USA. Can you explain how to register a seller account in that way? You can be living anywhere in the world and running your FBA business in the USA, especially if you have an LLC. Question number 5. During the registration, I have used a debit card, not credit. May it provoke them to block my account? They charge my card, so this mistake. The card was debit. I am worried about what I am not a US citizen. Okay, if the payment was processed successfully, you are good. You can always go back and change your method of payment afterwards. Also, if you are selling as a sole proprietor, you can use your home address. Question number 6. Can you use your EIN number from your previous business or do you need a new one? Okay, for this question, if the businesses are not interrelated, then you will need to apply for a new EIN. Question number 7. Can I put another country if I haven't seen my country there? Due to tax purposes, that simply won't work. To be eligible to sell on Amazon, you need to be resident in one of the countries that is on the accepted list for seller registration. Question number 8. I am in the identify verification page and it's asking to select country in which your business is located. I am a Canadian who wants to sell in the US. Should I pick Canada or US in the drop down? Select Canada, and once your Seller Center account is created, you have the option to choose where you want to sell, whether it's in the US, Canada or Mexico. Hope this helps. Question number 9. Does Amazon send you a statement at the end of the tax year to fill in your taxes? I am a Canadian citizen, so I suppose it would be any form of some sort. Okay, if you are operating as a sole proprietor or a partnership, you will need to fill your form T2125 for your Amazon business. Question number 10. I am from Canada, but I want to sell on Amazon USA. Should I sign in the Amazon.com or Amazon.ca? Since on the Amazon.ca, it says that I can sell on USA and it costs 29.90 Canadian dollars instead of 39.99 US dollars. They are going to ask you where you are based and which market you wish to sell on. If you are in Canada, you will be charged 29.99 Canadian dollars regardless of which marketplace you sell in. And the bonus question, I want to ask you that does Amazon charge for your PPC fees through your credit card or your bank account? Since I'm a non-US seller and I have been using Pioneer, but my credit card is in Euro and I don't want to lose money in the exchange fees. Okay, so Amazon would charge the PPC fees to your Seller Center listing and deduct from your sales. If you have a balance left over, then it will deduct it from your account in the USA, in the USD. Guys, are you excited to sell on Amazon? Let me know a yes in the comment below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.